going to show you how I make this coffee. Yes, it's like cold coffee. We all know how cold coffee is and how it tastes. We all have been to CCT already. But the thing is, I wanted to share you in my way how I make it, and just wanted to share with you all. Yes, there's a little bit of coffee is like it's going to taste more amazing and more better than CCT. That much I can say to you. If you're interested in seeing how I make my coffee, I mean cold coffee in my version, then please keep on watching. For this you will be needing a glass, raw milk, brown coffee sugar, Hershey's chocolate syrup, choco powder, coffee powder, milk powder, few ice cubes and butter. Now I'll be adding this raw milk. Make sure that your milk is raw. I'll just pour it into the mixer jar. Then I'm using this brown sugar, coffee sugar. You can use any sugar, normal white sugar, brown sugar, like any sugar, whichever is comfortable for you. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Eveready milk powder to it. Don't forget to add all these ingredients which I'm mentioning you, because this will make your coffee awesome. So I'm pouring 2 tablespoons of Eveready milk powder to it. You can use any milk powder. Then I'm adding brew coffee powder. You can use Nescafe brew, whichever coffee you feel like. Then I'm adding this choco powder. It's a sugarless one. So I'm adding this choco powder, 1.5 teaspoon according to the taste. Then I'm adding little bit of butter, not much, only little bit of butter. Now I'll just nicely grind it up, mix it up, whatever you want to say. Give it a nice shake. Now I've added butter in this. Butter acts as a weight loss. I've heard somewhere it acts as like, it helps in losing weight. If you add butter, it provides some kind of energy which will help you in reducing the weight. Now I'll add ice cube to it. Before serving it, I'll add ice cube to make it cold. I already took raw milk that was cold. Chilled raw milk I used. Basically, I wanted to say this. Now after mixing it comes the garnishing part. In this glass I am adding Hershey's chocolate syrup, and I'm just pouring it into the glass, and then I'll just tilt it nicely so that some kind of design comes out. Basically I just want to make random design, nothing specific, just a design to garnish. I love my things to be decorated. I love garnishing. I love everything decorated and presentable thing. I am a very presentable person. I like to be presentable in each and every manner. So that's the reason. You can totally avoid this step. You can totally skip this, because anyways you can have coffee. But if you have guests in your place and you really want to serve them in a good way, then this is one way which you can serve to your guest. So yes, now this some kind of design is done. Now I'm going to pour the cold coffee into this glass. Slowly I'll pour all the coffee inside this. Yes, this is the coffee. Try this. I bet you if you'll try this, you will leave CCT coffee. You won't like it. Now to more garnishing part, you can sprinkle some choco powder on top of it. So yes, your cold coffee is almost ready, guys. So yummy cold coffee, homemade cold coffee. You can make it anytime. Basically, these days I'm having it every night. I just love it so much. Just try it out and let me know how it is. So yes, this is the cold coffee. We come to the end of this coffee making session. So yes, as you can see, it was seriously simple. The making was so simple, just a few ingredients and your coffee will taste amazing. So yes, if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up, and if you make this coffee for yourself, then don't forget to let me know how it was for you all guys. And yes, do share, do like, and stay tuned to my channel. Do subscribe guys, it will really mean a lot to me. And yes, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye. Good luck.